In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add RSI HistoAlert Strategy in TradingView Pro. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView account and you have a chart open. It can be any market or time frame you like. The process is exactly the same. Once your chart is on the screen, we're going to start by opening the Indicators menu. Move your mouse to the top of the chart area and look for the button labeled Indicators. It's usually at the top of the TradingView interface, above the main price chart. Go ahead and click on that. This will open up the Indicators and Strategies window, where you can search through all the built-in tools, community scripts, and your own saved indicators. Inside this window, you'll see a search box at the top. Click directly inside that search field so you can start typing. This search box is where you'll find pretty much any tool available in TradingView, so it's the fastest way to get to what you need. Now type RSI HistoAlert Strategy into the search bar. As you type, TradingView will start filtering the results in real time. Make sure you've spelled it correctly so the strategy shows up in the list. Once you see RSI HistoAlert Strategy appear in the results, simply click on it. The moment you click, TradingView will automatically add it to your chart. You should now see the RSI HistoAlert Strategy plotted below or over your price chart, usually as a histogram or a separate pane, depending on how it's designed. Take a second to let your chart update, then hover over the strategy name that appears in the top left corner of the chart area. From there, you can open the settings to adjust inputs, colors, or alert levels, depending on how the script was built. This is useful if you want to fine-tune things like the RSI period, overbought and oversold levels, or visual preferences. If you're using TradingView Pro or thinking about upgrading, remember there's an affiliate link in the description that you can use to sign up. TradingView Pro gives you more indicators on a single chart, more alerts, and faster data, which can really help if you're running multiple strategies like RSI HistoAlert at the same time. Once the strategy is on your chart and configured the way you like, you're ready to start analyzing signals and, if you want, setting up alerts based on the behavior of the indicator. That's all you need to add the RSI HistoAlert strategy in TradingView Pro.